Good afternoon, Mheshimiwa Rogony.
Good afternoon, Katwa.
We are meeting again.
Yes.
Yes. Just for the information of the honorable senators, you are similarly the person who moved the motion in September 2024, isn't it?
That is true.
And you moved this one.
And I'm again the mover.
This time?
This time again.
Yes, and when we were in the county assembly, you said you will move another one, isn't it?
No, perhaps this will be the last one if we will successfully...
Okay. But your mission in the assembly is to remove him, isn't it?
Not my mission.
When you are elected, you took it that this is the mission to remove the governor.
Of course, if this house finds him liable.
Kasim Tani, one of your recommendations was that the EACC to investigate, isn't it?
That is true.
It's true. And you're aware that the governor instructed his people to hand over all the documents for the EACC investigations?
I'm not aware.
You don't know that the EACC is investigating?
That's what you are now raising here.
You don't know that?
Yes.
Okay.
Remember, I sat in this committee.
Okay. Does it reduce your appetite to impeach the governor, or it still remains the same?
Now we have the officers who were involved.
Okay. Yeah, so this project was under lands, isn't it?
No, the two municipalities, not lands. We have the municipality of Kericho and Litain, and the two are supposed to be very independent.
Eventually, were these projects under what department in the county government was it falling?
That is the Department of Lands, the mother department.
The mother department is lands. And who was the CEC when this project was going on?
One Brian Langat.
One Brian Langat. Could you confirm that Brian Langat is a lawyer?
He's a lawyer.
He's a lawyer. Could you confirm that you've recruited him in the county assembly?
He is now a deputy director.
Just answer my question directly. He's a part of the county assembly, isn't it?
Yes.
And he's part of the witnesses in this impeachment of the governor, isn't it?
He is not.
Isn't he one of the people who are cited in the county assembly motion to impeach the governor?
But not in this program.
No. Just a minute. All I'm asking is that Brian Langat was part of this impeachment processes. He's one of the resource people you interviewed for purposes of impeaching the governor in these proceedings before the Senate, isn't it?
We interviewed two of the sacked
Just answer, is Langat one of them?
He is not one of them.
You didn't interview him?
Now, he's an employee of the county assembly, unless in the previous motion.
Okay. Now, as we speak, it is true then that he was the CEC for lands when you are investigating Kasim Tani, isn't it?
That is true.
And it is true that the governor has removed him from employment, isn't it?
That is true.
So, to what extent then are you telling these honorable senators that indeed the Senate, His Excellency the Governor has done nothing, when indeed it is on record? Just listen before you answer. I know you want to answer. To what extent can you say he has not done anything when, number one, he has forwarded the files to EACC, and number two, the only thing he could do, being to remove the person who is answerable to him, the CEC, he has sacked?
Counsel, that will be hypocritical because one, Wakili Brian Langat was the CEC. We have the CEO who is still serving.
Okay.
And that is the accounting officer.
Yes, sorry. Thank you very much. So you have, apart from the CEC, Brian, you also have the CEO and you have the county managers.
Yeah, the municipal managers.
Municipal managers, who are you are implicating.
Yes.
Now, could you tell the honorable senators, are they answerable to the governor?
Yeah, governor is the CEO of the county.
Can he sack them?
He can sack the CECs, even the county chief officers. It's a disciplinary process.
Isn't it true that they are answerable to the Public Service Board?
In terms of
please just answer the question.
Action,
who employs them?
The Public Service Board.
And who disciplines them?
The Public Service Board.
And who retires them?
The Public Service Board.
So what are you trying to say then? Now, you say that the contractors, some of the contractors were improperly paid and that some youths and women came to complain to you, isn't it?
To the committee.
To the committee. You also saw the list provided in reply to your complaint, a list of youths and women saying they were paid. You saw that in response to the petition.
It is only...
Please answer the question.
It's only one list, one contractor with a list that shows some M-Pesa transaction, but you cannot confirm whether those monies were channeled to those numbers.
Could I ask the question, please? It is true that the governor has provided a list of women and youth who are paid in response to your complaint that some youths were not paid, isn't it?
Council, it's an amorphous list.
Please, let's not argue. Is it true that you've seen that the governor has provided a list of the youths?
It is in the report.
It's there. Okay. Now, these are the youths that you say have come to complain to you, youths and women. Has any of them, to the best of your knowledge, gone to court to complain about non-payment for work they had given to the county? Council, is there any case of a complaint that I have worked and I have not been paid filed in court?
They complained before the assembly.
I'm just asking you, are you aware of any court case?
I'm not aware about court case.
On this Kasim Tani?
Yes.
Are you aware of any complaint to the police on this Kasim Tani unpaid payments?
I'm not aware.
You're not aware. And Kasim Tani was done which year?
In 2023.
2023. So we have about 2 financial years between then and now, isn't it?
That is true.
Have you seen that issue of Kasim Tani featuring anywhere in the auditor's report? Because that is the only, that's an independent entity that would audit. Have you seen that case of Kasim Tani?
You're talking about the Auditor General's report?
Yes, Auditor General's report.
It featured in our reports.
Please answer my question. Has it featured in, you are interested, you're interested in impeaching the governor forever. So I want somebody independent. Has the Auditor General captured any complaint about Kasim Tani losses of money? To the best of your knowledge.
I'll have to. Okay, thank you. Already there is a report on other committee of Kasim Tani project implementation.
Mheshimiwa, that question is either yes or no.
Already there is a...
Are you aware of any Auditor General's report on that
PPRA
issue?
report.
Who has asked you about PPRA? Could you just wait, please? I've asked you about the Auditor General. Is there any report from Auditor General, to the best of your knowledge?
I'll need to check then.
To the best of your knowledge, Mheshimiwa.
Okay, not so far.
Not you, you're not aware. What of Londiani victims? Is there any, are you aware of any Auditor General's report on that Londiani loss you're claiming?
Of course, it cannot find
Please just
its way
answer the
to
question.
Auditor General's report.
It's not there?
Yes.
Okay, good. Now, who did you say was in charge of who was the head of the county government's representation in the Londiani victims issue?
Dr. Wesley Bor.
It was Dr. Wesley Bor.
Yeah.
As we speak today, where is that Dr. Wesley Bor?
Dr. Wesley Bor exited service in the county government.
He left to work.
Yes.
And it is your case still that the governor has done nothing, yet he has retired Dr. Wesley Bor?
Dr. Wesley Bor resigned. He was not removed by the governor.
How do you know that he didn't remove him?
Because...
Okay, so anyway, an action has been taken, isn't it?
It is not the governor who took the action.
Was he answerable to the governor?
Yes.
He was answerable to the governor?
Yes.
And do you know whether the governor then told him to resign? Do you know that for a fact?
Now...
Do you know or you don't know?
I don't know.
You don't know that, okay. Now, in your report for Londiani, you also interviewed somebody by the name Edna Tonu, isn't it? And implicated her in that report.
It was
Edna Tonu
the CC
one of
judge
the people
in charge of health?
Yes. Was she mentioned in that report?
As a CC.
And you made recommendations?
Part of the committee, that's okay.
You made recommendations about her, isn't it? About the need to discipline her, isn't it?
Those who were...
Please just answer the question. Edna Tonu was mentioned.
She was not part of the... She was not part of those who were recommended to be disciplined.
Okay, but she was in health.
Counsel for the governor, your time is up, unfortunately.
Mr. Speaker, sir, could I very kindly plead for about 10 minutes, kindly?
Very well.
Thank you very
10 minutes
much.
to conclude.
Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker, sir. Did you mention her in the report?
As those who were present in one of the
Thank
meetings.
you. And has she been removed by the governor?
Yes, of course.
She has been removed. What of Leonard Ngetich?
He's a former CEC.
Has he been removed by the governor?
Yes.
And you still want these senators, honorable senators, to still hold the governor as not having taken any action on the Londiani issue. Now, is it true that the people you had mentioned in that report included one Betsy?
Yes.
And is it true that Betsy filed a suit against you in court? On that report?
The assembly.
Not you?
Yeah, okay. I don't know whether I'm the assembly, but...
Okay. Anyway, Honorable Rogonya, I am more interested in the fact that it is true that she went to court, isn't it?
Against the assembly?
Together with the other people who are recommended
Actually, the
for
findings
removal.
of the report.
Yes,
She was
against the finding of the report.
Yes.
And a decision was made by the court that the governor should not take sorry, that's not correct. My apologies. A decision was made by the court that no action should be taken on that report, isn't it?
Yes, the
Thank
findings.
you. The findings that no action is to be taken.
Yes.
But that notwithstanding, you want these honorable senators to say that the governor has not done anything when at most she was respecting a court order.
So you mean we leave the 9 million without accountability, and that was publicly?
No, your case is not
money?
9 million. Your case
Yes.
is that you have made recommendation in around 2023 and governor has not done anything. And I'm telling you, governor has removed about 4 people from employment, and when he was to take the next action, a court order was in place.
Removal is not compensation, Katwa.
And so what did you want the governor to do? You want him to remove the money
To
from his
compensate.
pocket? Okay. Now let's move on. What have you done yourself? You have oversight over the resources. Have you gone to court yourselves? Yeah?
I don't know.
Have you
whether
gone
that
to
is
court for the
relevant.
recovery of the money, Honorable Rogoy, yourself?
Perhaps that is what we should be doing.
That's what you should be doing. Have you recorded a statement of the ESCC which is investigating? Have you recorded a statement?
Now who records it?
Have you? Have you? Just answer the question, yes or no.
Okay, I haven't.
You haven't. Have you written to ESCC to investigate?
Counsel.
Have you?
Out of the report, it
have
find
you
its way
written
to
to
the
ESCC to investigate this issue?
ESCC can acquire this information
I'm
from the
asking
assembly.
you, Honorable Rogoy, you are saying the governor has not taken an action, and I'm inversely asking you, as the accountable person that you want to say you are, have you written to ESCC to investigate this issue if you are as aggrieved as you are, as you pretend to be?
Perhaps I'll need to...
You need to write.
Mheshimiwa,
to write.
Avoid being dodgy. These are very simple, straightforward questions, so that we save on time.
Mr. Speaker, it's a committee on implementation to follow...
Proceed, counsel, for the
report.
governor. Proceed.
Thank you. Now, it is true that this issue of Kasim Tani and Londiani were part of the impeachment complaints that you made in September 2024.
That is true.
Yourself, isn't it?
Yes.
And you've brought them back again today.
That is true.
And in the next one that you propose to bring, you will bring the same ones, isn't it?
At least it's been prosecuted now. It was not. Remember, our case was not heard in the last impeachment.
You are saying these senators didn't hear your case?
They didn't hear because of the preliminary objection that you brought in.
You are complaining against them?
Because our file was never opened.
Okay. And at that time, you didn't manage to get 32 MCAs, which was 2/3.
We now have 33.
And this time round, you didn't get until you voted for Kibet yourself, Honorable Rogoy.
I voted once, Council.
You voted for Kibet, and you called him and told him, let me give you 400 so that you swear an affidavit to say, I have 200. 200 plus Dubai plus Rwanda.
Council, that clip is not me.
But the voice is exactly this one, Honorable Rogoy. How do you explain that?
Council, the person who was talking in that clip was a bit drunk. I'm not drunk. I don't even drink.
We would like the people of Kericho and people who who voted for you to hear you say this. You're saying you don't drink?
I don't, Council.
Completely?
You know, Council.
Do you or you don't drink?
Mr. Speaker.
No, the issue of drinking you've raised.
Let me clarify.
Do you drink or you don't?
I don't drink.
Completely?
I'm a Seventh-day Adventist.
The moment you are a Seventh-day Adventist, you don't drink?
You know, Council.
Okay, let's leave that issue. I don't think we want to go there. And lastly, on Londiani, I just want to explore this subject on Londiani finally. Is it true that when you investigated the Londiani matter, you found that the county commissioner was the chair of the committee?
He was a co-chair. Remember, the only outsider in that committee was the county commissioner.
Just stick to the question I'm asking you. Was the county commissioner the chair?
The co-chair.
Together with?
The county secretary.
Who has left Dr. Bor, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. And was the governor a member of that committee?
He appointed his own members.
Please answer the question. Was he a member?
He appointed his own members.
Please answer the question. Was he a member?
He is the appointing authority.
Mr. Speaker, so I'll ask the witness to answer the question.
He is not a member,
He's not a
but
member.
he appointed the members.
You looked at the bank accounts, isn't it?
Yes.
Is he a signatory to any of the bank accounts?
We only have 2 signatories.
Is he one of the signatories?
He is not one.
He's not. And did you trace any money to him from any of the withdrawals?
Council.
Please answer the question.
We had the governor speak.
Please answer the question.
Was any money? Let's make progress. Just respond to the question.
Yes, thank you very much. Was any money, did the governor ever walk to the bank and remove any money?
No.
Thank you very much. That's all, Mr. Speaker, sir. And Mr. Ogonyo, you are my friend. I hope we remain friends.
No, we will be friends.
Okay, thank you.
Any re-examination? Counsel for the County Assembly.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Sir, very briefly, Mr. Ogoni.
Yes.
Other than the Auditor General, has any other independent body taken up investigations in respect of the Kazi Mtaani initiative, to the best of your knowledge?
EACC says the mother, and PPRA too. PPRA.
What has, we're looking at the letter at page,
page 206. Volume 4, page 206.
Volume 4 of the County Assembly's document?
Yeah.
What is the title of that letter from PPRA?
A report on ad hoc committee on Kazi Mtaani project implemented by Litain and Kericho municipal boards.
Indeed, PPRA is requesting for documentation that they had earlier requested for in the month of January, correct?
Correct, 13th of January.
So is it then correct for the governor to state that there is no other independent body that has taken up the matter?
It is wrong, of course, for him.
It is not correct.
It is not correct.
Thank you. The governor has also stated through counsel that Dr. Wesley Bor was removed from office by the governor. Has the governor produced any document to indicate that indeed Dr. Wesley Bor was removed from office by the governor as a result of your recommendations?
None. Is produced none.
To the best of your knowledge, what were the circumstances surrounding the exit of Dr. Wesley Bor?
Dr. Wesley Bor, remember, he was heavily mentioned in Londiani accident and again in Kazi Mtaani. So the Honorable Paul B., who was the chairman of Kazi Mtaani, produced an impeachment motion against Wesley Bor. Wesley Bor tendered resignation upon the signatures collection because he was going to be impeached because he's part of the cabinet. He resigned.
Thank you. And you confirm that it was in the case before court that barred the implementation of the committee, that the governor saw an affidavit asking the court not to allow the implementation of the committee, correct? Thank you. You've also been told that one of the witnesses who appeared before the Senate yesterday, one Edna, Tonui, was the CEC in charge of health at the time. I want you to look at page 82 of volume 4B of the County Assembly's documents.
Volume 4B.
at page 82.
Page 82.
Kindly tell us who was the CEC in charge of health at the time.
The CEC in charge of health, that time
Council
was...
for County Assembly, your time is up, unfortunately.
Just 2 minutes, kindly.
Nora, we'll give you 2 minutes.
Thank you.
to wind up.
Who was the CEC in charge of health at the time?
Bill Brenda B.
Is Bill Brenda B still a CEC?
She's still serving.
She's still serving.
Yes.
Thank you very much, and that's all for this witness. Thank you. And that brings us to the close of the County Assembly's case, but I will be making a short application after the witness has been interrogated by senators. Thank you.
Thank you. Any questions?